Hey Jason, Micah Fritz here with K&M SEO. I just wanted to send you this video kind of talking about your website and where you're kind of ranking in Google right now. The first thing that I want to bring up is the amount of content that you have on your website. We want at least 1,500 words on our homepage for Google to be able to, really find your website and be able to pick through the keywords. Like right now, I'm not seeing really any keywords on this homepage, which is really hurting your um, ranking ability. That's what I was trying to say. It's really hurting your ranking ability because there's really nothing to go off of. It's only in your back pages. But if we had some more power coming into this home page, you'd be able to rank a lot better. The second thing I want to bring up is the basically the most of the data here, um, which is where the UR and the DR. It's just the amount of trust. This is basically trust that Google is giving your website, and this Ahrefs just puts it into numbers. Right now, you have no data for your UR and your DR is a 0.2. One of your direct competitors is 23 and 1.7. They have 141 backlinks. These backlinks are what actually drives the power in your website. Um, Also, this organic traffic, currently your competitor's getting 293 traffic to their website. You're getting zero, which is really hurting your traffic and your potential clients and your potential paying clients. So another thing that I want to talk about here is these keywords. Um, you only have 5 keywords. I'd like to see a lot more than that. That's just a lot of missed volume, and a lot of missed traffic right now. Obviously you're getting zero traffic from all of these because your position on these is just nowhere near, because nobody looks past the second page or even the first page of Google. Nobody goes past that. It's the first, and it's done. Um, your competitors here, we go to their keywords. Once this loads, they're ranking a lot higher, which is why, they're getting these a lot higher traffic volume to their website, which in turn, these are people that are going to call them in the end, or they're just looking. But if nobody's even looking at your website right now, you're not getting anybody from that. Another thing is going to be this Google My Business. This is also another big traffic area right here. They can bring a lot of people into your business. You're not in the top three. Most people don't look past those top three. You're down here. There you are. You're way down here. And basically, this is just driven by citations, which is your name, your address, your phone number, like throughout the web and directories and like Facebook, all that kind of thing, Angie's List. And that's what drives this. So this is just pretty much given to whoever has the most citations coming into your business, and I can do that for you. I can drive your business to the top of that. Other than that, your website does look good. It's just missing some content here, which is really hurting your traffic. So if you like what you saw, like what you heard about, my name is Micah Fritz with K&M SEO. Give me a call at 605-777-9328. Thank you.